Election Commission has performed its duty honestly, justly and fairly. And my lords and your ladyship, I will give your lordships two examples to show that the Election Commission has not fulfilled this constitutional mandate. It has acted arbitrarily, it has acted discriminatorily. Let me take your lordship to the first example. The case of the Election Commission before your lordship is very simple. The Sunni Ittihad Council cannot be given these seats because of two reasons. Number one, they did not contest the elections and did not win any general seats. And secondly, they did not submit the list of candidates. And they say these are violations of the constitution and law which are incurable. Now, why do I say that they have acted arbitrarily and discriminatorily? Your lordships may kindly see CMA 5944 of 2024.
Filed by you.
Yes, my lord. If your lordships may kindly see page 4. (5944) of 2024, page 4.
Ji.
This is from the elections of 2018-2019. This is the election tabulation from the Provincial Assembly of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. If your lordships may kindly see at serial number 5.
This is which year?
This is 2019. What happened is that because FATA was merged, the elections to their seats under Article 106, sub-article 1A took place a year after. Serial number 5, if your lordships may kindly see, it says BAP, it says general seat 0, 3 independents join, and they get 1 reserve seat. Exactly what is the case before your lordship. Now, your lordships, the Election Commission has justified this by saying that, sorry, that is per inquiry. That is a dishonest answer, and I'll explain why. If your lordships may kindly see the main appeal, Civil Appeal 333 of 2024. This is a point which was raised before the Election Commission at page 68. Civil Appeal number 333 of 2024, page 68. ये मेन अपील है,
निकाल के देना ही मेन
सिविल अपील
के मेन के ऊपर रख देना चाहिए। ये 333 कह रहे हैं?
जी जी, सिविल अपील 333 of 2024 at page 68. If your lordships and ladyship have it, this is the original order of the Election Commission denying us reserve seats. This argument was raised before the Election Commission. Did they say that that order was per incurium? No. What did they say? Page 87. Para 29. If your lordships and ladyship have it, I'll read para 29, page 87. My lords, your ladyship, I'll read. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner number 1, Sunni Ittihad Council, during his submitted an example of BAP in respect of allocation of reserved seat in the KP Assembly in 2019, but on the query for provision of any order of the Commission or any document in support of his argument, the Council did not provide any material evidence or order or document to assist the Commission. The Commission impliedly is denying the existence of its own documents. If this is not mala fides, what is mala fides?
The question is whether that order was proper, correct, in accordance with law, or that order was illegal. So, forget about what the Election Commission says. Whether that order was in accordance with law?
Yes, yes, it was in accordance with law, because as I have submitted before your lordships, section 104 and neither article 151 requires that the schedule for submission of list of candidates has to be given before the elections, or that a new schedule cannot be given. Your lordships have seen the document.
Senate Council,
Yes, Mal.
was that notification of returned candidates of BAP
Yes.
ever contested or challenged?
No.
So the Election Commission ought to, it is presumed that the Election Commission also knew that
Yes.
there was, they were returned candidates.
इस ऑर्डर के दौरान ही कह देते सॉरी हमसे गलती होगी, वो पर इंक्यूरियम था, आप उसको साइट नहीं कर सकते. दे हैव कंप्लीटली डिनाइड एज इफ दिस डॉक्यूमेंट्स डोंट एग्जिस्ट. That is this just? Is this fair? Is this honest? That's my first example.
फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब ये बताइए कि
जी सर।
क्या बाप पार्टी ने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया था?
बाप पार्टी ने खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया था, लेकिन सीट्स नहीं मिली.
कोई सीट उनको नहीं मिली,
नहीं, सीट नहीं मिली थी.
लेकिन उन्होंने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा जरूर
इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया था. जी
आपका केस थोड़ा सा मुख्तलिफ है.
जी
आपके केस में जो SIC है उसने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा नहीं लिया था,
जी।
लिहाजा किसी हद तक के आपका केस मेरे हवाले से
जी।
डिस्टिंग्विशेबल है. खैर अभी आप अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट कंप्लीट कीजिए, उसके बाद अगर इसको थोड़ा सा आप वजाहत फरमाएंगे तो अच्छा हो जाएगा.
इसमें थोड़ा सा ऐड कर दूं कि क्या ये जो बाप पार्टी थी, नाम भी अजीब सा है, बलिस्तान अवामी पार्टी,
जी
तो क्या उसने ऐसी कोई प्रोविजन है कि अगर कोई पार्टी इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करे, पाकिस्तान के बाकी कुछ हिस्सों में सीट्स ले ले, दूसरे सूबे में ना ले, और बाद में वो आजाद उसमें शामिल हो जाए, तो क्या वो पार्टी पहले से एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रही थी पार्लियामेंट में?
सर की
independent joint, that party which was already in the parliament.
Sir, no, it was not in the assembly of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. That is the case of the election commission. If they had taken the stance that they have taken the stance this order is wrong, if they had said no, they contested, as your lordship has rightly indicated, that they contested elections in other provinces and the National Assembly, that is why we issued this second schedule. They issued this second schedule, और वो शेड्यूल आपको दिखाया गया था और उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि हम एक नई डेट दे रहे हैं फॉर नॉन सबमिशन ऑफ लिस्ट ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स. वो मैं आपको दोबारा नहीं दिखाऊंगा क्योंकि आप देख चुके. सो माय लॉर्ड, this is a case of acting unfairly. They've acted unfairly.
Mr. Siddiqui, you said that word quite a few times. Please now.
बिल्कुल. I move on to my second point.
No, I have a question.
जी sir.
So we are bound by the interpretation of the Election Commission. Is that
No.
Is this a rule of interpretation?
No. That is not my.
Wait a second.
Ji.
You want us to take judicial notice of this fact?
No. That is
Why
not
are you
my-
referring to it?
I am referring to because I am showing to
And
you.
last and
Ji.
not least, if at all, who would have this seat gone to? Let's assume BAP is not there. So if you want us to open up the elections of 2018, we can do so, but you cannot just pick an isolated incident and tell us that it's binding on the Supreme Court or that is the correct interpretation of the Constitution. That's a very novel way to argue a case.
My lord, that is not my argument. All I am trying to show is the arbitrariness
Hey, forget
and the
that.
unfairness
Why
of
don't
the
you
election.
attend to the case?
But that is all I am trying to show. My second example of being unfair and arbitrary.
They're most unfair, let's assume that. So will that change the interpretation of the Constitution?
Because your lordship has again because your lordship has again and again said, why should we intervene? One of the reasons why your lordship should intervene, if your lordship see that there is a kind of institutional hypocrisy at the heart of the Election Commission, they are discriminating against certain parties, that would be a ground for
2018 के इलेक्शन थे वो सही थे. If you go there, then don't open these boxes which will embarrass you.
We are looking at this. So let me come to my second argument. The second argument is, my lord, their example that the reason why we should not be given reserve seats as far as non-Muslims are concerned is because there is this clause in our constitution which says that minorities cannot be amended. Now, this is what the ancient Greeks classically.
ये तो रीजन नहीं थी, ये तो उन्होंने यहाँ का बताया.
This is not the reason in the new order of the election commission. They have
बिल्कुल
only
आपने सही कहा, लेकिन सर ये शो करता है कि देखिए ये वो एंशिएंट ग्रीक्स कहते थे कि when you can't attack the argument, attack the person. It's an ad hominem attack.
एशियन ग्रीक्स ने आपको कहा है कि ये अपने रखे निकाल दें आप उसमें से.
मैं एक एग्जांपल
अच्छी बात है आपके हिसाब से, ये आईनी बात है. आपके हिसाब से अच्छी बात है.
मेरे हिसाब से अच्छी बात तो नहीं है, मेरे
आईनी बात है. मैंने 2 प्रोविजंस आपको रेफर किए थे आईन के.
जी सर, I reserve my
You're not entitled to reserve, to answer.
No,
we can reserve.
My answer is no. I reserve my opinion on the issue of constitutionality. I don't think it's a good opinion. I don't think it's a good thing, but it shows institutional hypocrisy on the part of the
so what about yourself?
Sir, JUIF की same clause है, मैं उसके पेज आपको दिखा.
देखिए पहली बात,
और उनको माइनॉरिटी की रिजर्व सीट्स दे दी है.
नहीं, पहली बात उन्होंने कहा कि हमारी ऐसी कोई प्रोविजन.
मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ.
चलिए वो हमारे सामने.
फैसल साहब, you try to understand this is not the ground for non-suiting you.
मैं सिर्फ आपको दिखा रहा हूँ सर.
Not the ground. Election commission के order में है ही नहीं ये चीज़.
चीजों में आप जा रहे हैं.
The only thing is lordship must see
okay, fine.
the unfairness of the election commission.
Why should we see the ground which is not mentioned in the impugned order?
ठीक, मैं सर एक पेज लिखवा दूं आपको बस. CMA number 5944 of 2024. Sorry, 5914 of 2024, sir. 5914 of 2024.
ये आपकी
जी सर, मैं सिर्फ पेज नंबर लिखवा रहा हूँ. इस पे पेज 12 पे JUIF का शुरू होता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, और एग्जैक्टली वही क्लॉज पेज 16 पे. And they have been given 1 reserve seats for non-Muslims. Let me move on.
कौन सा पेज है
सर? पेज 12 से शुरू होता है एंड पेज 16 पे वो क्लॉज है. उसका वो भी क्लॉज नंबर 3 है, नंबर 1.
पढ़ दीजिए
जी. हर बालिग मुसलमान जमीयतुल उलमा इस्लाम का रुकन बन सकता है बेशक वो बेशर्ते वो जमीयत के अखराज और मकासद से मुताबिकत हो, मुत्तफिक हो. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू सर. लेट मी मूव ऑन टू माय नेक्स्ट पॉइंट माय लॉर्ड.
तो आप क्या कहते हैं, जमीयत को नहीं मिलना चाहिए?
हाँ,
जमीयत को नहीं मिलनी चाहिए ऐसी सीट.
सर मैं कह रहा हूँ हैव अ फेयर क्राइटेरिया.
भैया आपका मौकिफ सुनना चाहते हैं.
सर मिलनी इस केस में तो नहीं मिलनी चाहिए बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एंटाइटल्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. बट लेट मी मूव ऑन टू माय नेक्स्ट पॉइंट माय लॉर्ड, which is I've been puzzled by the example by Justice Mansoor Ali Shah about independents winning, and whether that is really a fictional example. It's actually not. It has actually happened in one of the assemblies in this case. If your lordships may kindly see CMA number 5840.
प्लीज इस पे कामरान मुर्तज़ा साहब ने वजाहत दी थी कि ये फोटोकॉपी में मिस प्रिंट है और ओरिजिनल में ये प्रिंट ऐसा नहीं है.
अच्छा,
ओमिट ना करें इस बात को.
जी, वो वजाहत हवा में थी, अभी तक कोई कॉन्क्रीट एविडेंस. जब आ जाएगा तो फिर मैं भी वजाहत दे दूं. मैंने ये उनकी वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड किया है और मैंने कल भी चेक किया था. यही और कोई और क्लॉज नहीं है. कामरान मुर्तजा, to be fair to him, he said there is some other clause which deals with minority. There is no other clause. If I may come to CMA number 5840 of 2024. This is by the Election Commission of Pakistan.
CMA number
5840 of 2024. The fictional example is actually not a fictional example. It has actually happened.
By the way, since you're on this point of Muslim, non-Muslim,
जी,
you only permit Sunnis in your party.
नहीं, ये तो वो नहीं.
आपका नाम है, मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
सर, लेकिन ये क्लॉज कोई नहीं है, मुसलमान है जी.
बाकियों को आप मुसलमान समझते हैं?
नहीं सर, हम सबको मुसलमान समझते हैं.
5840
5840 of 2024. This is by the Election Commission.
कौन सा पेज?
Sir, page 54.
जी. क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं?
जी सर, ये खैबर पख्तूनख्वा असेंबली में अगर आप देखिएगा, इंडिपेंडेंट्स के अलावा जिनकी 91 सीट्स थी,
ये कौन सा इलेक्शन है?
ये 2024 का. जो बाकी पार्टीज हैं उनको सिर्फ 18 सीटें मिली हैं इन ए हाउस ऑफ 115.
व्हाट पेज?
पेज 54.
जी.
In a house of 115, they have got only rest of the parties.
You said it once.
18. उनको रिजर्व सीट्स कितनी मिलती हैं? 30. 26 वुमेन, 4 non-Muslim. This is no longer a fictional example. It has actually happened in this case. This disproportionality. एक और पेज अगर मैं आपको दिखा दूं kindly, page 47. When it comes to National Assembly and women seats from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, page 47. अगर पेज 47 पे देखेंगे तो नेशनल असेंबली खैबर पख्तूनख्वा वुमेन सीट्स के हवाले से PMLN 2, जमीयत उलमाए पाकिस्तान 2, पीपल्स पार्टी पार्लियामेंटेरियंस 1. PMLN को 2 सीटों के अवज़ 5 सीटें मिली.
What is the point you're making? Are you saying the constitution should be interpreted on the basis of fairness or by the text of the constitution?
By the text, and the text says proportionate representation. That is my case before you.
Of the list.
जी, no.
आपका तो एक सीट भी नहीं है ना?
जी, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Here it's a question of.
आप देखिए, मुझे बार-बार आपसे कह रहा हूँ.
जी.
You don't even realize how conflicted you are.
जी.
Again, you are mentioning PTI. You are not PTI.
No, I'm not mentioning. I'm
Yes,
simply.
All the points that you made so far are regarding.
I am trying to show the disproportionality. और ये और clear हो जाता है by a very interesting clause in the Election Act, Election Rules 2017. अगर आप Section 96 देखिए, there is an attempt to define what proportionality is.
Let's say, with respect to you, does not even come within the parameters of reply. These are points they did not raise. These are points, fresh points you are raising.
ये point बार-बार raise हुआ था कि disproportionality किस तरह है, वो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. I will not go.
फैसल साहब, एक बात ये बताएं कि
और ये आपने
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के टेक्स्ट में कहीं ये लिखा है कि ये रिजर्व सीट जो हैं ये दूसरी पार्टीज को दे दी जाए?
नहीं, हो ही नहीं सकता. मैं अगर आप रूल 96 देखेंगे, सब रूल 3, तो एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट लफ्ज इस्तेमाल हुआ है टू रियली शेड लाइट ऑन द टर्म प्रोपोर्शनेट. इफ योर लॉर्डशिप्स में काइंडली सी, आई विल रीड सब रूल 3 ऑफ रूल 96. If I may read. The Commission shall then declare elected to the National Assembly or as the case may be, the Provincial Assembly such number of candidates belonging to each...
अगर आप वन से पढ़ लें तो फिर क्लियर हो जाएगा।
जी सर, जी सर।
वन से।
Declaration of results by the Commission. The Commission shall calculate the total number of seats won by each political party separately in the National Assembly and each Provincial Assembly in the manner specified in Rule 94, and shall then ascertain the proportion of each political party of the seats reserved for the women and non-Muslim. Sub-Rule 2. On the basis of the calculation done under Sub-Rule 1, the Commission shall ascertain the number of seats to which each political party is entitled. Sub-Rule 3. The Commission shall then declare elected to the National Assembly or as the case may be the Provincial Assembly such number of candidates belonging to each political party in order of priority in which their names appear in the list provided by a political party. अब आप लफ्ज देखिएगा, as is equal to the number of seats to which the party is entitled to under sub-rule. The word equal. Is it equal? कि 18 जनरल सीट जीतने वाली पार्टीज को 30 सीटें मिल गई हैं।
आपको तो जीरो मिले ना, तो आपको फिर जीरो मिलना चाहिए आपकी लॉजिक के हिसाब से।
सर मैं डिस्प्रपोर्शनैलिटी
देखिए ऐसे तो आर्ग्यू ना करें ना, आज तो आप अपने खिलाफ सारी बातें कर रहे हैं। आप पीटीआई का केस आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं। नहीं, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। आपको तो जीरो मिला है, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लॉजिक आपको जीरो मिलना चाहिए।
नहीं, मेरी लॉजिक आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू एक्सप्लेन बट आई लीव इट, व्हाटएवर आई हैव आर्ग्यूड आई लीव इट टू योर लॉर्डशिप। My lord, one novel way of trying to justify this disproportionality, and it is quite a novel way to justify it, is on the ground that this disproportionality should be allowed on the ground of positive discrimination in terms of Article 25. Now, this argument completely misunderstands the structure of Article 51, sub-Article 6, paragraph D, which is that the right belongs to the political parties. The beneficiaries are women. This right and benefit is governed by the higher principle of proportional representation. You cannot give women seats by adopting disproportionality. It would mean that you justify the end by the means.
So if I could take you to page 47 again.
Yes, sir.
How would you make it proportional?
Sorry?
What's the mistake here? Page 47 जो आपने रेफर किया था.
Sir, अगर आप देखिएगा
5 मिल गए ना, so how would you fix this? How would you, according to you, how would this get fixed?
This will get fixed by giving the seats to Sunni Ittihad Council.
How do you do the maths?
जी?
How do you do the maths?
Sir, इनको जो disputed seats दी गई हैं वो सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल
6 सीटों पे 10 मिली है ना, ये आप कह रहे हो ना। टोटल रिजर्व सीट थी 10 और जो विनिंग पोजीशंस है वो डिफरेंट पार्टीज की वो 6 हैं
जी।
6 पे 10 तकसीम हुई हैं, ये आप कह रहे हैं ना, एक्चुअल से ज्यादा
जी। तो जो disputed seats हैं those belong to what they call independents, but they are not independents.
कोई ऐसा फार्मूला है कि जिसमें बताया गया हो कि आपको इतनी जनरल सीट्स में एक सीट मिलेगी रिजर्व सीट? अगर फार्मूला फिक्स है तो फिर तो बात बनती है कि आपने 10 सीट जीती है, 10 पे आपको एक सीट मिल सकती है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
सर, जो भी फॉर्मूला होगा वो डिस्प्रपोर्शनेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन नहीं हो सकता। दैट इज
94 में है ना
जी,
मिस्टर फैसल, रूल 94 में है ना।
जी जी।
अब प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन पे यू आर आउट ऑफ कोर्ट. You are really arguing against yourself, Mr. Fazliki. I don't think you realize it. You keep saying that we accept your argument, then you don't have a case.
I think that is my case, sir. But I'm sorry I have not been able to convince your lordship.
I don't understand. You are saying PTI argues this case. I can understand it.
अब मैं उसी पे मैं आ रहा हूँ. अब मैं आ रहा हूँ क्यों?
चलें, if you want to persist on this line.
SIC का entitlement तो आर्टिकल 51 के मुताबिक
जी, अब मैं उसी पे
तो है नहीं, पहले वो आप establish करेंगे।
वो है किस तरह? Sir, if your lordship may kindly see, and this is, I go back to the notifications which I had shown to your lordships.
Let me bring your conflict into sharp focus. We accept your argument and we give these seats to PTI.
No, I'm not arguing that. I'm saying
we accept your argument. So you will go get nothing.
No, the seats go to the parties which are in parliament. SIC is in parliament.
Acha.
जी, that is my argument.
फैसल साहब,
Sir, मैं जरा कमजोर हूँ argument में. I'm sorry.
फैसल साहब, speaking for myself,
जी.
this edifice of the Constitution and read as a whole as a text is premised on one fundamental principle, that is self-governance, and the most important is that right of vote.
Yes.
No one is arguing that.
Yes.
Now, people had voted for a particular political party, and I don't know, I had given a written order, and why the commission is shying away from showing its bona fides that it did its best to conduct the elections fairly, just because that is very crucial. And here we have a situation where the major political party for which the actual stakeholders had voted, they were, whether it was mala fide or for whatever reason, were excluded from that political process. It is about the fundamental rights of the people. It's not about political parties. But again, you see, when we come to 51D, you see, it's exclusively the right of the political parties. It does not give any weightage to the independents. It's all about exclusion. Yes, as my lord has correctly stated, there were serious questions raised regarding the elections that were conducted in 2018. And it had raised serious questions on the Election Commission as well. So, are we going to repeat that? Are we just remain silent about it and allow the people to suffer and their fundamental rights be violated? And that is what is not being argued on behalf of those actual stakeholders.
My lord, and that vote is reflected in terms of adopting a system of proportionate representation. If that is not adopted, what will happen is a minority government is converted into a government which has 2/3 majority. That should not happen. That is disproportionate representation. My lord, now to the point of these independents. Now, the learned Attorney General had said that the way these seats are distributed, these leftover seats so-called, is because independents are to be excluded. Where are the independents? Page 5 देखिएगा आप, CMA 5840 of 2024. ये independents कहा जा रहा है. These are not independents. CMA ये इलेक्शन कमीशन की है 5840 of 2024, पेज 5. तो
Part 1 में ना?
जी सर 5 पेज 5 सर, जो इनको फॉर्मुलेशंस
अभी तो आप इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है इसमें तो.
नहीं, मैं आपको दिखा वही बात. This is exactly.
You are not independent at present, yes. But at the time when the seats were distributed, you were independent.
No, we were not even independent then. ये आप देखिए पेज 5 पे.
आप पढ़ रहे कौन सा वाला?
जो 2 लाइनें ऊपर की छोड़ दें उसके बाद मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. ये डेट्स दी हुई हैं 15/2/2024. अगर आपके पास सबको मिल गया है 18/2/2024. This is what the Election Commission says.
Please.
Between this period, independent candidates joined various political parties, including the SIC. अब आगे लफ्ज देखें. In accordance with and within the time period prescribed in the proviso to Article 51, 6D, 51, 6E and 106, 3C of the Constitution, read with the proviso to Rule 92(6) of the Election Rule 2007.
ये बताएं फैजल साहब, देखिए जिस शख्स ने
जिस
इंडिपेंडेंट ने ज्वाइन किया, जाहिर है आप SIC ज्वाइन किया आपने.
Sir, Election Commission has recognized that we joined in accordance with 51 sub Article 6 para D. How can they then deny as reserve seats.
सदीकी साहब
या तो वो ये स्टांस लेते,
ये बताएं कि अगर कोई कैंडिडेट जिसके डिक्लेरेशन भी एक मखसूस पार्टी से हो और उसी पार्टी के उसके पास एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट भी हो, क्या वो इंडिपेंडेंट होगा या पार्टी कैंडिडेट होगा?
सर इस पे इलेक्शन कमीशन ने
आपसे जवाब पूछ रहा हूं।
सर मेरा अपना व्यू ये है, दिस इज माय इंडिपेंडेंट व्यू, वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होगा।
अगर वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है तो क्या वो किसी पार्टी में जा सकता है
सर?
और अगर जाएगा तो क्या इंडिपेंडेंट के बगैर अगर कोई कैंडिडेट जाता है किसी और पार्टी का, क्या वो उस सीट का हकदार होगा वो पार्टी?
Sir, the point is you have intervening events of the regulator. Unless and until all of that is reversed, this question cannot be answered in the abstraction. Election Commission agar consistent रहता तो उनकी दिस इज समथिंग विच योर लॉर्डशिप जस्टिस मजर हैड पॉइंटेड आउट
कर सकते हैं। आप उनको कह देंगे सॉरी हम आपको नहीं लेंगे जी, यू बिलोंग टू सर्टेन पार्टी। आप रिफ्यूज करते हैं? नहीं आपने कहा कि वेलकम।
नहीं मैं रिफ्यूज क्यों करूं सर, कोई मेरी पार्टी ज्वाइन कर रहा है। बट इट इज अ पॉइंट विच हैड फंडामेंटली बीन रेज्ड बाय जस्टिस मजर एट द फर्स्ट डेट ऑफ हियरिंग एट द लीव ग्रांटिंग स्टेज, विच इज द कंसिस्टेंट पोजीशन ऑफ द इलेक्शन कमीशन। इफ इट वांटेड टू, इट शुड हैव सेड नो, यू कैन नॉट ज्वाइन SIC because it has not gained any seats.
चलिए यहाँ पे एक सवाल,
ये कंसिस्टेंट पोजीशन होती कि 59
यहाँ पे सवाल एक और
सब आर्टिकल 6 पैराग्राफ डी आप पे अप्लाई नहीं करता।
यहाँ पे एक सवाल और बनता है कि क्या एक कैंडिडेट अगर किसी पार्टी, छोड़ दे सिचुएशन को, किसी पार्टी का एक शख्स दूसरी पार्टी में शामिल होना चाहता है, एक पार्टी के टिकट पे इलेक्ट हुआ लेकिन दूसरी पार्टी में जाने, क्या इलेक्शन कमीशन उसको मना कर सकता है? उसके लिए तो 63A बताया गया, द पार्टी एड में प्रोसीड अगेंस्ट, दैट्स ऑल।
63A kicks in after the parliament comes into existence, it's not before that. सर एक पेज इस पे और देख लें इलेक्शन कमीशन की।
सिद्दीकी साहब, आपकी पार्टी को तो बोनस मिल गया ना, आपने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया ना आपने कोई सीट जीती, और 90-95 लोग जो कि जीते हुए थे इलेक्शन उन्होंने आपकी पार्टी को ज्वाइन कर लिया। तो ये तो इट्स ए टाइप ऑफ अ बोनस रिसीव बाय योर पार्टी
thanks to the election commission. If the election commission,
it is not the question of election commission, और ये formulations नहीं है फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब, these are the facts written by the election commission, not the formulations.
No, they
इनके सुन तो लीजिए, इनके formulations शुरू होते हैं पेज 7 से फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब, my dear।
फैसल साहब इसलिए आए कि
अच्छा आप पेज 75 देख लें आप जी।
आपको ये कहना चाहिए कि उस बोनस का फायदा कोई नहीं
लेकिन गालिब ने इससे कहा था,
क्या ये दुरुस्त होगा अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपकी आर्ग्यूमेंट से कि the elections were free and fair, everything was normal, and you see there was some insanity in taking this extraordinary course by a major political party for which people had voted?
That is exactly why it was taken, and the record is before your lordship. If your lordship thinks that the election commission has acted justly, fairly and honestly, we have no case before your lordship. My lord, इस पे मैं एक पेज और दिखा दूं, पेज 75 देख लीजिएगा इसी समय में, and I am on my last point after.
अगर हम ये कहें कि
जी
for the sake of arguments, अगर हम ये कहें कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने गलत किया, then you have a case.
Sir, then your lordship has to reverse everything.
And again,
that is up to your lordship.
Have no case.
No, that is up to your lordship. But वो जो order है of allowing the joining of independents SIC, my lord, how was that order passed? क्योंकि ये सवाल उठा था कि वो notification किस provision के अंदर, वो मैं आपको provision दिखाऊंगा। पहले पेज 75 मैं लिखवा दूं आपको।